Hello friends, my name is Joshi Akshay and today I have brought some completely new and mysterious content in front of you. The name of content is Mysterious Mustang Caves. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So friends, let's start our video. Number 1. History. Mustang Caves or Sky Caves of Nepal are a collection of some 10,000 man-made caves dug into the sides of valleys in the Mustang district of Nepal. Several groups of archaeologists and researchers have explored these stacked caves and found particularly mummified human bodies and skeletons that are at least 2000 to 3000 years old. Explorations of these caves by conservators and archaeologists have also led to the discovery of valuable Buddhist paintings, sculptures, manuscripts, and numbers artifacts belonging to the 12th to 14th century. The caves lie on the Slip Valley Falls near the Kali Gandaki River in Upper Mustang. Research groups have continued to investigate these caves, but no one has yet understood who built the caves and why they were built. The site has been listed as a UNESCO tentative site since 1996. Mustang was formerly the Kingdom of Lo in northern Nepal, with its capital at Lo Manthang. At the end of the 18th century, the kingdom was annexed by Nepal. Upper Mustang was a restricted, demilitarized area until 1992, which makes it one of the most preserved regions in the world due to its relative isolation from the outside world, with a majority of the population still speaking traditional Tibetic languages. The monarchy in Mustang ceased to exist on October 7, 2008 by order of the Government of Nepal after Nepal became a federal democratic republic. Number 2. Mustang human remains. In the mid-1990s, archaeologists from Nepal and the University of Cologne began exploring the stacked caves and found several dozen particularly mummified human bodies, all at least 2000 years old. In 2010, a team of mountaineers and archaeologists uncovered 27 human remains in the two biggest caves near Samdesong. The relatively intact skeletons dating from the sky third the 8th centuries before Buddhism came to Mustang had cut marks on the bones. Scientists believed that this burial ritual may have been related to the Bon Buddhist practice of sky burial. To this day, when a citizen of Mustang dies, the body is selected into small dices, bones included, to be swiftly snatched up by valuters. The Mustang Eco Museum, about a 15 minutes walk from Mustang's Chomsom Airport, displays a collection of beads, bones, and pendants found at the caves. Number 3. Religious artifacts. In 2007, explorers from the US, Italy, and Nepal discovered ancient Buddhist decorative art and paintings, manuscripts, and pottery in the Mustang Caves near Lomanthang, dating back to the 13th century. A second expedition in 2008 discovered several 600 years old human skeletons and recovered remains of precious manuscripts, some with small paintings known as illuminations, which contain a mix of writings from Buddhism and Bon. Scientists dived cave use in Upper Mustang into three periods as early as 1000 BC. The cave were used as burial chambers. During the 10th century, the region is thought to have been frequently balloted over and consequently placing safety over convertins. Families moved into the caves, turning them into living quarters. By the 1400, the caves functioned as meditation chamber. If you liked this video of mine, then please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.